Hi everybody. Today I want to talk about town called Rio Negro, Santander, where I actually work, located just 1 hour from Bucaramanga. Rio Negro is considered one of the most important dispensaries of Santander, where coffee, cocoa, and citrus are grown, which generate their economic development. The companies that stand out the most are Campollo and the Bijagual Fish, where they sell different beef, chicken, and pork. To have several tourist sites, natural spots, visited by people of the sector and surrounding towns. The climate is varied and has many natural reefs, which are used as stable restaurants and spas. Thank you.